Meaning of guideline.
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 Guideline. A guideline is a set of recommendations or instructions that provide guidance and direction on how to achieve a particular objective or goal. These guidelines are often developed by subject matter experts or regulatory agencies to help individuals or organizations navigate complex situations or processes. Guidelines can be related to a wide range of topics including health, safety, education, finance, and more. Following guidelines can help ensure consistency, compliance, and best practices, while promoting optimal outcomes and reducing risk. Overall, guidelines serve as useful tools for decision-making and problem-solving in various contexts.